What is going on, YouTube? You guessed it, it's time for another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. My name is Mike, of course, and what I got today is an unboxing of the Motorola Z3. Now, this is a budget Android phone. This is currently on sale at Verizon. It was $480, but as of right now, you can get this device for $240 at the Verizon store. So that's going to make it $10 per month on your bill. Now, what you get with this device is you get pretty much near stock Android by Motorola. You also get a device that has the pins on the back, the connector pins for the Moto mods. I'll have more videos on the Moto mods coming up. But just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the phone to let you guys know what you're going to get if you should choose to pick up this device. This is a great pickup for the price. This is a great budget device, and you're not really going to be disappointed. You got dual cameras on the back. You got a 5.9-inch display. I believe you also get a USB-C fast charging with the device. Now, there's no headphone jack, so you are going to have to use a dongle, but that's pretty much most devices you have nowadays. So anyway, let's dive into this and let's unbox this and let's see what you guys get with this. So we back and we got the phone all set up now. I'm going to run down a few of the features of this device real quick, and I'm just going to talk to you guys about what you get with it. Now, first and foremost, you do have a fingerprint sensor on the side, so there is no home. There is a home button over here that you can press to lock and unlock the device. The device does have face unlock, as you saw, so you can use face unlock to unlock the device. It's not as secure as Apple's face unlock. It is more of just a picture unlock, but it does have face unlock. You do also have the pin number. You also have a fingerprint sensor on the side. Now, I'm a fan of this fingerprint sensor because of the location. Now, most of the time I'm holding my phone like this anyway. So to press the power button with my index finger and to just touch it with my thumb, that's kind of a great way to wake up the phone. You know, when you're pulling it out of your pocket, you're pulling it out this way. So that's a great way to go on ahead and just unlock the phone. Home screen does rotate side to side, which I do enjoy for whenever I want to use my phone in landscape mode. Now, like I said, this is a budget Android phone, in my opinion. You're not going to get the best features when it comes to this device, but this is going to be a good device for the money. Trust me, you do have good camera quality. So I'll tell you what we'll do is we'll allow the camera. We'll throw now this is for manual mode. I'm not going to go full manual mode. I'm just going to go real quick photo. I'm going to take a quick photo of my Beats headphones over here. And as you can see, you get a fairly decent photo. You're not really going to be able to tell too much of it behind the camera, but I can tell you from this point of view, it is a good photo with the dual cameras on the back. It's not iPhone level and it's definitely not Galaxy level, but for $480, it's pretty damn good. So we'll go back to the home screen. Now, one of the things that makes this phone so unique and so special is that for $480, you're accessing a world much bigger than the device. With these pins here at the bottom, you get what is called the Moto Mod feature. So this can connect to a number of Moto mods. There's a JBL sound speaker that clips right to the back of the phone and makes it an entire, like a sound speaker, like a Bluetooth speaker. You can get a full DSLR camera module attached to the back. You can get an extra battery module. There's a gaming module for handheld gaming with an actual joypad on each side. There's quite a few mods that you can get for this device. So if you really look at it, $480 kind of gets you a phone that has a phone that wears many hats. So that's one of the things about this device that I'm looking forward to testing out, is getting to a few Moto mods and just kind of testing them out. Once again, you got that fingerprint sensor on the back, or on the side, I should say. Pretty quick and pretty convenient. That's not the fastest fingerprint sensor in the world compared to like the Google Pixel or even the Note 9. It's definitely not that fast, but I don't think you're going to complain about it for $480, especially at $10 a month. If you decide to finance this phone over your contract, I don't think it's going to be an issue at all. One thing I do like about this phone is the flat screen. I love a curved screen, don't get me wrong. I like the edge-to-edge display, but this is a big enough screen, and considering the fact that it's from corner to corner and you got the bezels on the side, it's not that big of a deal. So Anyway, this is the Motorola Z3 and currently on sale at Verizon. Also, another thing to note, if you decide to pick this phone up from Verizon, mind you that you can get this phone for $480 unlocked. The $240 that you get off of the device is only if you finance it. Now, the device is still going to run you $480 full retail, which is not bad. Again, strong emphasis, it's not that bad. But if you decide to get it full retail, you're going to pay $480 for the device. Now, the marketplace is a little bit tight when you consider that for $50 more, you can get a OnePlus 6. Oh, I mean to drop it. You can get a OnePlus 6T or OnePlus 6. So the market is a little tight when it comes to the lower cost of Android phones, especially when you get so much for this phone. I mean, you get that in-display fingerprint sensor, that fast face unlock. There's just so much that you get with this device as opposed to what you can get with this one. But if you don't have that extra money to spend and you're looking for something to get you by, I highly suggest this device. And if you're on Verizon and you just maybe want to have a backup phone, you know, we live in a world nowadays where phone batteries run out and you may not be near a charger. It never hurts to have a backup. So one last thing I want to note, even though it says Verizon on the back, all of Verizon phones are unlocked. So just keep that in mind. All of their phones are unlocked. So let's say you have an AT&T SIM card. You can pop that AT&T SIM card in this phone and it'll work just fine. All of Verizon's phones are unlocked out of the box. It may say Verizon on the back, but they are unlocked out of the box. So if you can't get this through AT&T, you can't get it at T-Mobile, you can't get it at Best Buy, or you can't find it on Amazon, but you want the phone or you want a phone and Verizon sells it, if you're willing to pay for it, you can pay for it at the Verizon store, walk out, pop your SIM card in it, done deal. So anyway, Moto Z3. This has been your man Mike with another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. Make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.